PETRA alongside Ethic.
Me they go look for me friend Madam Josiah. Because me they tell you, me old boss them want somebody fi work and she fit for the job. Me this they come from up her yard, but me know say, if me no find her up there, she must down at the ground. So me they go down at the ground go look for her. She are the one for that they work there, you know. Me say the woman can't walk, she can't walk, she can't walk. Lord have mercy. Why me they tell me boss them is a good person. And me have to give them somebody way. When they get the somebody, they say, well done, thou good and faithful servant. I mean, no say, and Madam Josiah, she is the one. Picnic girl, your heart feel fine. Hey Monica, how are you doing today? I am doing fine, my daughter. It's like the rain drew last night. Yes, we get a little bit of dew last night, me picnic. Yes, I come down early at the field today, to do some work. You know, I can't stay one place. I got to work for you, you know. You get to work for me. Hey! Somebody really remember my name, Hey! That is good. You can start today if you want. Where is the place? It is at Jeremiah house. A housekeeping job up at Richmond. The first house on your right. Richmond Estate. Thank you, Thank you. I'm passing there right now. So I will tell them to look out for you. You hear me, daughter? No problem. All right, I'm going to get ready right now. Give me some time on that. Give me some time. Good job, good job. But I see you all run some fence. Why you can't walk, brother? You are the right one for the job. Some time on that. Thank you.
A few moments later.
Mas Jeremiah! Mas Jeremiah!
Who is there?
It's me, Monica, man.
Why you never tell me say you come, Miss Monica? Glad to meet you, man.
I'm happy
Glad
to see you as well.
So what breeze blow you down here now, Miss Monica?
Because you asked me for a housekeeper and I find the right person, you know.
Thank God, thank God.
Me
What you
they
say
tell
to
you,
me?
me have somebody for you, you go and love her, you see?
Oh my God.
She can't walk, you see, Mas Jeremiah?
Monica, from your left, the house not get no good clean.
What is
Just a kill me in the Monica.
What you saying to me, man?
You see, you up and down me and the wife, you know the business take over. You have to say, oh, I
I know, man. Me know everything,
why,
man.
me I tell you. I'm
But
grateful for that, man.
Don't
Thank
worry,
you, man.
me. I tell you, so you go and love this somebody so till.
Yeah, say to me.
You go and love her.
This Monica
She
make me
good
even
for the work.
excited.
Me, I tell you, just give her the chance to do what
boy.
she do best.
So
You
which
hear?
part she there now?
You know, I go and look for her down at the farm, you know. And she tell me she going to get ready. I direct her, so she will be here shortly, you know?
Okay, thank you,
Yes.
Miss Monica.
No problem, you know. I never come for stop, you know.
Give you a little pocket money, man.
Giving me a little.
Yeah, man. You do a good job when I was here, Miss Monica.
Thank you, Miss Son.
Nice to
Thank
see you again, man.
Nice to see you. You know,
Yeah.
I was going
You're going to set up the place here?
Yeah, man.
Just go on home.
I was going to ask her to drop me back up the road, but because she come in, me do this take time truck go home. You hear me?
Okay, safe journey, Miss
All right,
Monica.
thank
Yeah?
you, Miss Son.
All right.
Me just love come down here, you know, because me know say when me come, me don't get something to go back home go cook. Hi. Thank you, Father. Hey, can you imagine, Daddy, you remember my name, oh? You know from when I need a work. Hi. Oh, Miss Monica, God bless her, oh. She didn't have to come and find me, oh. You see how far she walked from. She couldn't even walk good, but she walked and she found me. God, it's my turn. Hey, thank you, oh. Thank you so much. I have to hurry. Can you imagine me, Madam Josiah, going to Richmond Estate? Hey, for a work. Hey, Father God, I will do my best, oh. God, I thank you, oh. I promise you, I'll do my best. Hey, God bless Miss Monica. God bless her, oh. A blessed woman. Hey. Thank you, Father. Monica, she don't even know what she do for me. I was suffering, I was struggling. Hi. Thank you, Lord. I have to hurry, I have to hurry. I'm so happy. Rich man estate. Here, Madam Josiah, come on. Hey. Mas Jeremiah. Mas Jeremiah.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. Pleased to meet you. Madam
Nice
Josiah,
to meet you. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
I hear
sir.
so much about you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am a hard worker, sir. I am the right person for the job, sir.
That's what Miss Monica tell me.
Yes, Miss Monica recommend me because she know that I work and don't stop working, sir. So just give me the opportunity and see what I can do, sir. Okay?
Well, we will see now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because the house well dusty.
Oh.
So I need a very hard worker.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
And Miss Monica was a very hard worker.
Okay, okay, sir. I know that, sir. Okay, from the look at her, you can see that she was working very hard, sir.
Okay. Let me show you inside.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
So this is the place now, Madam Josiah. This is my
sir.
home.
Okay,
right?
sir. Okay, sir. Okay,
Monica
sir.
was working here for 25 years.
25 years, sir?
Yes, 25 years.
That is
and
very
she do
long.
a very good job. So from she recommend me to you,
yes,
that
sir.
means that
Yes,
you're
sir.
a very good worker.
Yes, sir.
You're
Yes, sir.
highly qualified.
Yes, sir. I am a good worker,
I
sir.
want to share a secret with you.
What, sir?
Everything Miss Monica touch, she do it spotless. She cleans spotless.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So,
yes,
Miss
sir.
Monica get up in her age now, so from she recommend you, that means say, me don't even know the word if you call.
Yes,
because
sir.
you
Yes,
have to do
sir.
more than spotless.
Better than what she do, sir. Just give me a chance, sir. Just give me a chance, sir.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Yeah, man.
Okay, sir.
You can go inside.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. This place is so nice.
Yes, Miss Josiah.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So,
sir.
let me run you through everything.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So,
sir.
all you need to do, right?
Yes,
Is
sir.
take off all of these stuff
Yes, sir.
and pack them somewhere neatly, dust and wipe. The
Okay,
work is
sir.
mostly consists of dusting and wiping. Look here.
Okay, sir.
If you notice, be a dust on the
Yes,
thing
sir.
because through we not here
Yes, sir.
and stuff like that, whole
Yes,
heap of
sir.
dust.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, my wife is very busy, so hold on. Must them are the worker call me now. Yes, David. Alright, the key there in the jar, right? So you can do the first delivery till me come. And tell the rest of the worker them say they must do them normal routine with them do every morning. Me soon come. Me have a maid here I deal with. Me soon come back. Miss, I'm on the phone. 1 minute, please. Yeah. Alright then. About the next 5 minutes or so. Okay.
Sir,
I was on the phone. In
I know you
You're
were on the
supposed to
phone,
have manners.
Sir, I am not satisfied with you calling me maid over the phone. No.
So what I supposed to call you?
My name is Madam Josiah, sir. Why are you telling people that you're talking to the maid?
So you don't like your job then?
I love my job, sir, but I won't tolerate you talking about no maid, sir.
So I don't understand. You're not proud of being a maid or what? I
I'm
don't
proud
understand.
of being a maid, sir, but I just don't want you to be telling anybody over the phone that you're talking to any maid, sir. I'm just making it clear from now, sir.
Okay then, I'm sorry. As I was saying, the work is mostly consists of dusting, cleaning, wiping, and
sir.
sweeping, right?
I see
Miss
clearly,
Monica
sir.
usually take off all of these things,
All of these things.
everything, and pack them one side,
Okay, sir.
and dust, wipe, and clean and pack them back neatly and stuff like that.
Okay, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
And next thing, me and my wife have a dress code for the maid when they come here.
Okay, sir.
You're the third maid now we're gonna hire, right?
Okay, sir. Let me see what you have in store.
So
sir.
Miss Monica usually wear these clothes. So you're gonna wear these clothes to do your regular routine.
Sir, what you said, Miss Monica used to wear these same clothes that
Yes,
you're giving
ma'am.
me to wear. Sir, I came fully charged up, sir. I bring my own clothes, sir. They are in my bag, sir. So
Ma'am.
I don't
Madam
job,
Josiah,
sir.
Madam Josiah.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Do
sir.
you want the work?
I need the work, sir, but...
So why are you complaining? I said this is the clothes that Miss Monica usually wear.
Okay,
and
sir.
that is the dress code.
This, sir. Miss Monica used to wear this, sir.
You don't like, Miss, you gotta get me stomach confused.
Okay, sir.
You want the work or you don't want the work?
Sir.
Miss, I'm
Okay,
talking
sir.
to you. You want the
sir.
work or you don't want the work?
I need the work, sir. I need the work, sir. Sir, I'm just
So
a
why are you
helper,
giving
sir.
me a hard time on the first day,
I'm
ma'am?
not giving you a hard time, sir. It's just that you say that.
I can't take the stress, you know.
Okay,
I can't take the
I
stress.
will
Me have
wear
stress
them
at
out.
work. No, me get you to come do some work. Me have stress, yes or no?
Okay,
Me tell you,
sir.
I'm mad. You don't want to mad me or
No,
woman.
sir. No, sir. No, I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir. I will wear them, sir. I will wear them, sir.
Just go around there, the bathroom round that side. Just change and come back. Let me show you what else more.
Okay, sir. And you can gather up the things then for me to use, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sure, we can. Sure. What am I doing with my ID, man? You could have put the ID there now, man. Stress my work. Stress her yard. Me tell her a simple little thing and the woman a make a big fuss out of it. Me tell her say that is the dress code. And the woman a make a big fuss out of it. Me tell her about dust and wipe and a problem and a that she come here for condo. Sometimes you can't please people, you know. And hope Miss Monica make the right choice, you know. Only hope she can do her job, you know, man. Let me do the ID, man. You know me have it somewhere after last night.
Sir, I'm here, sir.
Oh boy.
I'm here, sir. What is the problem, sir?
Can't find my ID and my key.
Oh, sir. Okay, sir.
So you're ready to clean, man?
I am ready, sir. You see, I am ready.
Hold on, I'll give you something to start cleaning.
I am ready, sir.
So you can use this in the meantime to like dust and wipe and stuff like that?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. So I should start now, sir?
Yes, man, you can start, man.
Okay, sir.
I look for my ID. I can't find it. I don't know which part I put it. Tell you what, I'm gonna run anyway. So if you're cleaning and you find my ID,
yes, sir.
you can just put it up safe for me, yeah?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
I'm gonna run now.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. My boss, I wonder what he take me for. Huh? He come and tell me about I must put on this old clothes that Monica used to wear. Huh? She wear them until her back broke up. Hey! And it's more than days now he want me to wear these stupid clothes. Huh? This is not even in my country. We don't wear these. Nothing to go to the bush. He's talking about his wife and him have a policy. If his wife had a policy, she would have cleaned the place before she go to work. Behaving as if they are stush and nice. As if you're stush and nice, clean your own place, so you don't come and tell me to dust here and dust here properly. And telling me about Monica do a good job. I can see clearly that Monica do a good job because I see what you do to Monica. You walk Monica, you walk her go, and you walk her come. Till she walk and she bend. You think any one of you going to do that to me? You think I'm a fool? Hey. I like this place. You know, I see this thing here. My lip was so dry. Look like I have some. It feel expensive. Hey, I can't wait for my boss to let me meet his wife, because if he behaves so spectacle, then that means his wife. I would want to see what kind of woman she be, because she could never be a nice woman. And her place is dirty like this. Stush people clean their place, oh. She go on like she She's so nice. Even I can see that man is even so stressed. Hey, he's so stressed. Hiya. Let me. I should be before I leave. I see him coming this drop. Wonder what is this? Okay. This thing smells so sweet. I like the place anyhow. The place is very nice. I think the man is stressed why he's behaving like that still, because he seems very nice. Very nice. Okay. Let's see. This is baby powder. It smells so good. Baby is on it. That's why it smells so good. I'll just use some on my stomach. I didn't remember to put on any at home. I like this place. I like
Madam Josiah.
You're back,
I
sir.
forgot my key.
Okay, sir. Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir.
Deeper rush. Me I tell
Take
you, boy.
it easy, sir.
Forgot my
Take it
key.
easy, sir. Take it easy, sir.
Oh, next thing I forgot to tell you now.
What, sir? What, sir?
You see this right here?
This what, sir?
This was my grandmother ashes.
Hey!
Here? So,
Your grandmother
yeah,
ashes
so
you
just
put in a baby powder?
Yes.
Hey!
It's special to me, so just put it up carefully, yeah?
Hey,
After run.
Oh my God! Hey! I'm going to the bathroom.
A few moments later.
I have to be careful what I do in this house. It seems like my boss is walking science. I'll put this here. I wonder if this thing is some of his cops. Hey! I don't trust these people. I don't trust them at all. I just feel so scared to do. I don't even know what to do. I am so confused. Hey! Oh my. No, we have to be careful when we go to work for people. We don't know what they're doing. They work science. I wonder what is in this bottle. You know what? Maybe I should start the bathroom. Hi! My boss is working science for the first day. I find that out. Hey! Hey! Hi! Hiya! Hey! Okay. Hey! Ah! Hey! 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 This place is spooky. This place is...
Why? I not even know, so I saw the time gone. Almost 5 o'clock. A time for she go home, you know. Madam Josiah!
Sir?
Where are you?
I'm in the bathroom, sir.
Okay, I soon be there.
Okay, sir.
Look like she do a good job still. Place look clean. Yeah, man, she do a good job. She do a good job, man. Thumbs up to her. You got IR, you know. You got IR. Same way Miss Monica would have clean, you know. But she kind of clean a little bit better than Miss Monica still. But I got IR. Madam Josiah,
Sir?
where you put my grandmother ashes?
Sir, I put it in one of the drawers, sir.
I normally keep it on the glass top table, you know. Oh, I find it.
Okay, sir.
I normally keep it on the glass top table, right?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, don't move it. I'm
afraid
coming
of
here.
it. I'm afraid of it, sir.
Okay, I'm coming around here now.
Okay, sir. It's so much work Monica was doing in one day. She's something else. You can see that she was working very hard. Just the way she walked, you can see that because it is very tired.
So, Miss Josiah,
Oh,
I'm
Bossy,
very
yeah.
impressed, you know.
Yes, Bossy.
I'm very impressed in what you do, man.
I tell you that just give Madam Josiah
Yes,
a chance, sir.
that's true. Sometimes you can't judge somebody by looking at
That's
them.
what I'm saying, sir.
I'm very sorry for what I said and do to you this morning.
Okay, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
You do a very good job, man.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Cleaning is up to standard. I know my wife is gonna love it.
Really, sir?
Yeah, she's gonna love it.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So, I'm gonna pay you for today, right?
Why are you going to pay me already, sir, if you're keeping me?
No, normally Miss Monica always asks for her pay every day, right?
Okay, sir.
So I'm just continuing the same way.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So
Thank you, sir.
I'm not gonna stay with you now.
Okay,
I'm gonna
sir.
run.
You're going back on
Yeah,
the
man,
road,
I'm
sir?
gonna go back on the road. So
Okay, sir.
what I want you to do is just lock up the place for me.
Okay, sir.
And you can hide the key under the flower spot.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
I'm not telling a lie.
Yes, sir.
You do a very good job.
Thank you, sir.
I'm sorry I stay at work so late, right?
That's okay, sir. Don't worry about it, sir. Don't worry about it, sir. I'm just glad that you appreciate it, sir.
Okay, so as I finish up, you can just leave.
Okay,
Right?
sir. Okay, sir. Okay,
All
sir.
right.
All right, sir. Okay, sir. Okay. All right. Okay.
Bossy! Bossy! I make sure come very early. I wonder if I'm too early, oh. Bossy! I dressed very well this morning. Bossy!
Mr. Jeremiah! Honey, I'm home! The maid is here! Bossy! I am home, honey! The maid is here! Mr. Jeremiah, it's me, Madam Josiah. Oh.
Don't tell me that they forget me already. You don't remember that I was coming this morning.
Yes, who is there? It's me, Madam Josiah.
Good morning. How may I help you?
Good morning, Ma. I am the housekeeper, Miss Josiah.
I thought I hear you say, honey, I'm home.
No, I didn't say, honey, I'm home. I said, it's me, Madam Josiah, the housekeeper, Ma.
Are you flirting with my husband?
No, Ma, I'm not flirting with your husband. I am a respectable woman, Ma.
Make sure, because I will massacre you. I am going to work now. And by the way, my name is Miss Rose.
Nice to meet you, Miss Rose. I am Madam Josiah.
Get inside.
Josiah, come close the door. Okay, Ma. Safe journey, Ma.
I don't like that woman. My spirit just not take her. Me can't bear to see her. She just make me feel angry. She trying to do nothing in my house, you know. And she go see something in there. Oh. I don't like that woman. Huh? From she see me, she don't like me, you know. And I don't do her anything. Look on that little witch, 2 little legs. Look at her. She look like she's starving. Her 2 legs look like drumstick. But she come want to stop with me. Huh? I don't know why as she look at me, she think that I am here. Why for her to be threatened by me? Why is it that she feel threatened by me? It must be because Madame Josiah look very well. I look very good and it's like she know her husband would like me. But Bossy! Bossy! Bossy!
Yes, Miss Josiah.
I am here, sir. I'm here, sir.
Okay, I'm in the bedroom changing. As soon as I finish, we call you and show you what I want you to do in the bedroom, okay?
Okay, sir. I'm going to change my clothes in the bathroom, sir. So I will catch up with you, sir.
Okay, okay.
All right, sir.
I want you to spread up in here and make sure don't spread up in bed. Josiah,
Sir?
you can come now, you know.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
I make up the bed and everything already, yeah? So you don't really have to do nothing. You can just wipe them and stuff like that.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Alright?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, you don't have to go in the jar or nothing. Just mostly wipe and if you want dust off the teddy bear them or just make yourself useful.
Okay,
Because
sir.
me have to go run you now.
Okay, sir.
Another thing. Me not go stay late today. Me I come
Okay,
back
sir.
early so you can get to go home early.
Okay,
Sorry
sir.
for what happened yesterday, yeah?
No problem, sir.
Yeah, man.
It
You
is
do a
okay.
nice job, man.
Thank you,
Keep
sir.
it up, yeah?
Yes, sir. I will, sir.
Alright, later, yeah?
Alright, sir. Have a good day, sir.
Yeah, man.
Okay, sir. So, you don't want me to... Okay, to put this said I should have... I'm not touching anything. I'm not doing anything. Hey! He said I shouldn't touch anything. What is this? This is a dress. It looks nice. It looks nice. I am going to try it on me. I think it will fit me very well. I'm going in the bathroom. The dress fits me very well. It looks so good. And look on this bed. Look on this bed. It's so silky. It's the first I ever sleep in one of this bed. It's so soft and nice. And look on the pillow. Oh, I wonder where he bought it. I never sleep in what? He was drinking champagne with Madame. And they have snack in their room. So, I guess maybe he leave it for me. So, this champagne is very good. I never drink this kind of champagne before. Why would he have snack in the room if it wasn't for me? He know I was coming in there, so he leave it for me. And all these pretty teddy bears, look at them. They look so nice. They are looking at me. You're jealous because my boss leave these for me. You're jealous, staring at me. Now, I love this place. I love this place. And this beautiful view. Beautiful view. I can see the sea from here. the same curtain that is in the living room in his room. I don't understand that, oh. He look very rich. I like their sheet. I never see this kind of silk sheet before. Bossy did the right thing when you leave it for me. You just remember to tell me that it was mango. I never lived like this before. I feel so good. That's why I love my boss, and I have to take good care of him. I will leave this kind of champagne for me because he know I never drink it before. So he put it down and the snack in his room for me to eat and drink. That's a good man. I have to take care of him more. Sorry. Monica! You should see Madam Josiah. I'm sitting on your bossy bed living lavish. Maybe if I just catch a 5 and wake up back and it's not a lot of work for me to do, so the place is so pretty.
No, I'm going in. Miss Josiah. What are you doing on my bed, Miss Josiah?
Bossy.
What are you doing on my bed?
Bossy.
All my champagne and drink up, Miss Josiah. Get up. Get up. What are you doing on my wife dress?
Your wife dress. This is not your wife dress, though. This is my dress.
Madam Josiah.
This is my dress.
You know say me a fire you though.
Fire me for what?
Me a fire you, man. One day me leave you to carry out a task, you drink and you eat off everything. Boy. Yeah, me a fire you, Madam Josiah. You fire.
Sir.
Come. You have to go.
I can't.
A matter of fact, keep the dress. Come. Let me help you go to the road. Come.
Sir, I can't go on the road like this, sir.
You cannot stay here if my wife come here and see you drunk. She can think something different. Come, let me help you get a taxi. Come.
Sir. Sitting by the river, overseeing the nature. Sister PETRA alongside Ethic. In a peaceful place, I wanna go to free my mind. Sitting down looking in trees and mountain. How the breeze blow, the river flow like fountain. Birds singing one like they are counting. In a peaceful place, I wanna go to free my mind. Sitting down looking in trees and mountain. How the breeze blow, the river flow like fountain. Birds singing one like they are counting.
Too much cussing from those noisy neighbor. I wanna take away myself and focus on nature. I like to sit and watch the